Hello everyone, tonight I've got another pull-out card to show you. This is one using the typewriter and some of the IndigoBlu stamps. If I just take the film in, what I've done is an embossed background, and then I've pushed the stamp into it. And then the typewriter has a little surprise. It pulls right out and there's a sentiment there. We are known to our friends by the look in our eyes that we never see in the mirror. Right soon. And then it slides back in again. So that's one card, and I've got another one to show you tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye. Hello everyone, I've got another sliding card to show you tonight. This one is in the shape of a Tim Holtz telephone. I've also used some IndigoBlu backing paper, and I've done some embossing with paste, and that's the clock face from IndigoBlu. And I also stenciled a brick wall, to try and stay in the theme. And the telephone actually comes apart. And I've actually put this on acetate, so it says, "Hello, hello." And that's the phone to show you. I'll be back again soon. Take care. Bye.